Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Discord tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent Discord from causing lower FPS in games while you have Discord open. So if you notice when you're playing games and you have Discord open, you're getting a lower FPS than you would if you had it closed. This video will show you how to go into the settings in Discord and prevent Discord from slowing down your FPS. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Discord app on our Windows computer. Once you have it open, go down in the bottom left and select the gear for user settings next to your username. Once in the user settings, scroll down under app settings and select advanced in the left sidebar. And now the second option down should be hardware acceleration. As you can see here, it says this uses your GPU to make Discord smoother, and it should be turned off if you're experiencing frame drops. So go ahead and turn that off. And when you select OK, it'll relaunch the app and no longer use your GPU to make it smoother. So this will prevent any drops in your FPS. All right, so that's how you stop Discord from causing FPS lag in games. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Discord tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.